Die mens se lewensreis neem hom op verskillende paaie, ontdekkingsroetes. Party paaie is bekend, ander onbekend, maar elke dag beweeg ons op 'n pad iewers heen. Op sommige paaie lag en dans en speel ons. Op ander paaie beweeg ons stadiger. Versigtig, want die onbekende maak ons sintuie wakker en ons raak bewus van dinge wat rondom ons gebeur. Maar 2020 raak ons paaie leeg. Ons kruip saggies en versigtig onder ons toppe in. Ons skuil agter maskers vir 'n onbekende wêreld wat ons ritme skielik kom versteur. Die aarde word skielik tot 'n stilstand. Ons wêreld verander, die strate raak stil en in ons elke hoek skuil 'n onbekende monster wat ons agter toe deure laat wegkruip. Maar ons maak nuwe ontdekkings. Ons ontdek ons gesinne, ons kook saam en ons stof die bordspeletjies af. Ons ontdek mekaar in 'n stadige, nuwe vreemde wêreld, maar die aarde draai steeds. Hierdie keer net na binne, na mekaar toe. Ma's en pa's word skielik onderwysers en onderwysers word tegnologiese wonders met kuberskolesse wat ons na die maan vat, weg, ver weg van die monster wat ons wêreld bedreig. Ja, emosioneel was dit tog nie 'n rooskleurige tyd nie, maar gelukkig vergeet ons ook vinnig die swaar wat daar was. Vandag kyk ons eerbiedig, tog met verwondering terug na 'n tyd waar die natuur weer heel geword het. Diere ons stil wêreld kom verken het, oseane wat weer skoon geword het en ons weet, ons het 'n tweede kans gekry. Die aarde draai steeds, maar hierdie keer is die ratte bietjie meer geolie en ons is bietjie meer bewus van die tyd en die wêreld rondom ons. Ons kan skielik weer asemhaal. Ons draai ons gesigte na die son soos 'n land vol sonneblomme. Ons gryp die dag, 'n tweede kans. Ons leef vir mekaar, met mekaar, na mekaar toe, met dankbare harte. Vat ons die wêreld weer vas. Vanaand betree ons met opgewondenheid, saam met u, weer ou paaie met nuwe energie. In ons oë skitter nuwe drome van eilandvakansies, straatkarnavalle in Rio en skuurdanspartytjies in Amerika. Nuwe seisoene strek voor ons uit. Lentekuiers in Europese straatkafeetjies en ryk speserygeure uit die ooste maak ons sintuie wakker in 'n nuwe, beter, skoner wêreld vol nuwe geleenthede, uitdagings en oorwinnings. Ooswes, tuisbes in my eie Afrika land, is ek altyd op my bes. Vanaand wens ons vir jou drome wat reik tot by die sterre, vliegtye wat jou op ontdekkingsreise sal neem en jou grootste verwagtinge sal oortref. Mag vanaand vir jou 'n kantelpunt wees waar ons kindergesiggies weer inderdaad lag van pret en lekker. Mag hulle dans en sing en ons opgewonde laat, want ons wêreld is weer rond en ons CP-drome strek tot by die maan. Ja, saam sal ons staan, saam sal ons wen, saam sal ons rooi katte die wêreld weer laat draai.
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere beyond the sea, she's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'll go sailing. It's far beyond the stars, it's near beyond the moon. I know beyond a doubt my heart will lead me there soon. We'll meet beyond the shore, we'll kiss just like before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing.
There's no place I'd rather be, lingering in the ocean blue. I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon, flying by on a Hawaiian roller coaster ride. Ah, Miki Miki Mairo Hirohi, Iinalulala Halaha. Tato tangata follow Palawina Le tuo sami tele E o mai Uava ele luita ulele Ta pena pena Olo olo waka Awe awe Nuku imua Te manu lele e tataki Awe awe te penu te malie na eko hakilia kaingae.
We read the wind and the sky when the sun is high. We sail the length of the seas on the ocean breeze. At night we name every star. We know where we are. We know who we are, who we are.
Away away
We set a course to find a brand new island everywhere we roam.
away away.
We keep our island in our mind, and when it's time to find home, we know the way.
Away away.
Explorers reading every sign. We tell the stories of our elders in a never-ending chain.
Away away te penu te malie na eko hakilia.
We know the way.
Oh, when you're down, you're feeling low. Got nobody by your side. It can be lonely and you want to only find a place, no need to hide. Just lay back, you'll fit right in. You can make it all come true. Cause there's always hope inside, and hope will see you through. Aloha. You'll find a place where you belong. Ohana. A family to call your own. Where you feel at home.
Everybody sing. Maka maka.
Now you can see Tukibo Baba, nothing but these clear blue skies. Love it has found you, and when it surrounds you, it's just like paradise. Now the door has swung wide open. Now your heart has taken wing. Feel that magic in the air. Oh, hear your spirit sing. Aloha. Aloha. Find a place where you belong. Ohana. A family to call your own. Where you feel at home.
Everybody sing. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Ooh, someday you wish upon a star, wake up with clouds are far behind. Where trouble melts you like lemon drops, high above the chimney top, that's where you find me. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, and the far behind. Be where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find. Well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. You find me somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dream that you did to go wide, can hide.
Hey, yo, big wave. Tell them I come. Small time alongside JW.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. Start my truck, let's all jump in. Here we go together. Nice cool breeze and big palm trees. I tell you, life don't get no better. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Okay, your mama ngwele. Step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding, DJ rewinding. Take it to the island way. Okay, your baby mama. Put on your dancing shoes. One drop it, pop it low now. Take it to the max now. Jam in this small jam way. Jam in this small jam way.
My bestie and your bestie dancing by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Let me take it from here. Solomon girl straight up, right hoochie mama. Make me party non-stop in a island banda. Swing those hips and back it up to me ragga. A chance for party ladies do the doggy doggy. I'm drumming island reggae, rapping blue, green and yellow. Me jumping and me beat, make a slow wine for me baby. Speakers pumping, people jumping. We drumming the island way.
Shout out to the good time crew all across the islands. Grab your shoes, let me 2x2, and now we're shining bright like diamonds. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Yes, one drop it, pop it low now. Take it to the max now. Jump in the small jam way. Wind it.
Wind up, go down, wind up, go down. Twist your body backward.
We go.
Left, left, we go right, right. Turn it around and forward.
Wind and go down again.
Wind up, go down, wind up, go down. Twist your body backward.
Twist it back.
We go left, left, we go right, right. Turn it around and forward. My bestie and your bestie dancing by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. Chucking more fina, ane. Chucking more fina, ane. Chucking more fina, ane. Mushkina. Black of peas came to make it hotter. We beat the fire starter. Bubbling up just like lava, heated like a sauna. Penetrating through your body armor. Rhythmically we massage ya. With hip hop mixed up with samba. So yes, y'all. You know we never stop, we never rest, y'all. The Black of peas will keep it funky fresh, y'all. And we won't stop until we get y'all. Till we get y'all, say it.
Team will be instrumental. See what I did there? I made a pun. I'm having fun. I'm never done. I'm just a one young woman. My best to the beat of my own drum. I'm a wow in a world full of ho-hum. I'm a wow young lady, but you know some. I'd rather be at home with my own drum. Extra, extra, read all about it. I'm extra, extra. The kid that the other kids can't get next to. I got my own seat on the bus. I've always been on me, not in us. You're out of turn. I need you out of 3. Ha! Try that again. I gotta be me, yo. I am a 10. I gotta be free and I got a friend. We're a team and we bounce to the beat of our own drum. We're a wow in a world full of ho-hum. I'm a wow young lady, but you know some. I'd rather be at home with my own drum.
Let's get it. Everybody bounce when they see me come. I come through dressed like a showroom. Who fly than me? Oh, no one. Cause I back to my own drum. Turn it out loud, you can call me Wild Child. I ain't nothing like them brothers, got my own style. And they wonder how I do it, well here's how. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Let me break it down. Let me break it down cause I get busy when I write. You know I got the style and copycats, they wanna bite. Walk to the stage and all you see is flashing lights. Everybody scream like I'm Janet and Mike. Get crazy with it. Once you meet me, know you want
down so low. I speed up when the world's in slow-mo. Make it up as I go when I don't know. And I know it seems like I'm lonely. People assume that I'm lonely. Look at this room and assume that you know me, homie. You don't know me, I'm in the zone.
We bounce to the beat of our own drum. We're wild in a world full of ho-hum. I'm a wild young lady, but you know some. I'd rather be at home with my own drum. We bounce to the beat of our own drum. We're wild in a world full of ho-hum. I'm a wild young lady, but you know some. I'd rather be at home with my own drum. Bounce. Break it down. Bounce. Get crazy with it. Bounce. Hey, let's get it.
I messed up tonight. I lost another fight. I still mess up, but I'll just start again. I keep falling down. I keep on hitting the ground, but I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could
akathonombona akagubele esiphikile sikamandoza angithenge yini inkinga yakhe sibonisane nje ngamadoda angithenge akathonombona akagubele esiphikile sikamandoza angithenge yini inkinga yakhe sibonisane nje ngamabane
Sinking low, scatterlings and fugitives, hooded eyes and weary brows seek refuge in the night. They are the scatterlings of Africa, each uprooted one, on the road to Bellamanga, where the world began. South Africa, each and every one, in their hearts a burning hunger beneath the copper sun. Ancient bones from old divide, echoes of the very first cry. Who made me hear and why? Beneath the copper sun, African idea, African idea. Make the future clear, make the future clear. South Africa, both you and I, we're on the road to Bellamanga, beneath the copper sky, and we are scattering South Africa, journey to the sky, far below we live forever, dreams of what we were. Vakansie op die platteland. Kyk jy vir jou lewe deur 'n ruit. Hierdie mensgemaakte moeilikheid moet stop, skuld maak en windjag. Sukkel jy om in jou baan te bly? Ruil 'n bietjie jou probleme in vir tyd. Stap aan ons verlaat. Hier waar die boere lyne in die stof en dans, raak ons verlore in die spore wat ons maak. Voel soos vakansie op die platteland, om 'n kampvuur slaan ons harte aan die brand. Jy laat het voel asof my tyd stil staan, so kry my op die platteland.
ons hart weggesies, moeg vir die plek, jy wil asemhaal. Jy het 'n boek vol drome en verlore wense wat ons moet gaan haal. Jy vra hoe vind ons 'n plek in die son, 'n klein dorp dromers, ons sal hier uitkom. Jy sê jy voel die wêreld raak te klein, jy is bang dat jy gaan verdwyn. Ons vaar die draaie door die pad op raak, ons weet nie waarheen nie, maar maak dit saak. Sny ons deur die nag, musiek speel oor jou lach. Vanaand vlug ons saam na 'n plek sonder naam. Ek wil nie dink nie, ek wil jou ontvoer. Ek wil nie meer verduidelik hoe ek voel. Kom ons breek die reëls as die wêreld ons verveel. Vanaand vlug ons saam na 'n plek sonder naam.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Daar kom die Alabama, die Alabama, die kom oor die see. Daar kom die Alabama, die Alabama, die kom oor die see. Daar kom die Alabama, die Alabama, die kom oor die see. Daar kom die Alabama, die Alabama, die kom oor die see.
looking out a dirty old window. Down below, the cars in the city go rushing by. I sit here alone and I wonder why. Friday night and everyone's moving. I can feel the heat, but it's soothing, heading down. I search for the beat in this steady downtown. The young ones are going downtown. The young ones are going with the kids in America. With the kids in America. Everybody lives for the music around. Bright lights and music gets faster. Look, boy, don't check on your watch, not another glance. I'm not leaving now, honey, not a chance. Hot shot, give me no promise. Much later, baby, you'll be saying never mind. You know life is cruel, life is never kind. Time will make a new story. Time has no gravity glory. With the kids in America. With the kids in America. Everybody lives for the music around.
We built this city. We built this city on rock and roll. Built this city. We built this city on rock and roll.
Say you don't know me, I recognize my face. Say you don't care who goes to that kind of place. Knee deep in the hoopla, sinking in your fight. Too many runaways, eating up the night. Marconi plays the bamba. Listen to
been married long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I've been married long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Billy of Tea. The winds blew up her bow, up down, oh below my bully boys blow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's sail came up and caught her. All hands to the side, harping and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
from a faraway place where the caravan camels roam. Where it's flat and immense and the heat is intense. It's barbaric, but hey, it's home. When the wind's from the east and the sun's from the west and the sand in the glass is right, come on down, stop on by, hop a carpet and fly to another Arabian night. Arabian nights like Arabian days, more often than not, are hotter than hot in a lot of good ways. Arabian nights need Arabian moons. A fool off his guard could fall and fall hard out there on the dunes.
Cause I'm in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. This is getting heavy, can't hear the bass, boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this beach chain like money. This go all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm diamond, you know I glow. Hey, so let's go. Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, life is dynamite. Life is dynamite. Shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa, da-na-na-na-na-na-na, 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 light it up like dynamite. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na, 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 light it up like dynamite. 'Cause I'm in stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shining through the city with a little fucking soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. This is so watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shining through the city with a little fucking soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite.
Takmış koluna elin adamını beni orta yerinden çatlatıyor. Ağzımda sakızı şişirip şişirip arsız arsız patlatıyor. Belki de bu yüzden vuruldum, sahibin olamadım ya. Sağır mı erkek niye seni şımarık, değişti mi bu dünya? Çekmiş kaşına gözüne sürme, dudaklar kıpkırmızı kırıtıyor. Bir de karşıma geçmiş utanması yok, inadıma inadıma sırıtıyor. Biz böyle mi gördük babamızdan, ele güne rezil olduk. Yeni adet gelmiş eski köye bak, dostlar mahvoldu. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püsküllü belam, yakalarsan. Seni gidip fındık kıran, yılanı deliğinden çıkaran, kaderim püsküllü belam.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선어해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선어해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 성숙해 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 선어해 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선어해 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선어해 근육보다 사상이 울퉁불퉁한 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 위는 놈그 위에 나는 놈 베이베 베이베 나는 뭘 좀 아는 놈 뛰는 놈 그 위에 나는 놈 베이베 베이베 나는 뭘 좀 아는 놈 You know what I'm saying 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일
You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how your bullets ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
Feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Well, life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. So that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost.
It's the thought of being young, when your heart's just like a drum, beating louder with nowhere to guard it.
When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along to Elton John and to that feeling we're just getting started.
When the nights get colder and the rhythm's got you falling behind, just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye, and you say, I wanna dance, the music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's break our glass and live just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, 'cause when we're gone we know how to dance.
Don't need to talk the talk, just walk the walk tonight.
'Cause we don't need permission to dance.
it's not over till the summer. Say one more time. Say
I wanna dance, the music's got me going. Nothing can stop how we move. Yeah, let's break our pants and live just like we're golden and growing like we're dancing fools.
like a dancing fool.
We don't need to worry, 'cause when we fall we know how to land.
Don't let the talk, just walk the walk tonight. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance.
I was left to my own devices. Many days fell away with nothing to show, and the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Grey clouds all over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? We were caught up and lost in all of our vices. In your pose as the dust settled around us, and the walls kept tumbling down in the city that we love. Great clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness from above. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this?
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design.
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head, a million dreams keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky,
Goeienaand seuns en dogters. Nou dames en here, ons het 'n gewoonte dat as ek die kinders groet, dan klap die groot kinders vir die kleintjies hande wat altyd so mooi agterna sing. Nou, het gesien hoe lyk dissipline? Dis 1400 kinders vanaand hierso. En ons skree nie op kinders nie, ons steek net ons regterhand in die lug, want as jou hand in die lug is, soos jou mond toe. Werk is skitterend, kan dit by die huis ook probeer. Dames en here, ek begin by die kinders. Dankie kinders dat julle nou gaan choopstil bly. Ek gaan net klein ietsie sê. Dankie vir elke seentjie by die graad R tot by die graad 7's wat van verlede Vrydag aand hulle absolute harte uitgedans het en gesing het. Die ouers kan vir 'n lekker hande klap gee. Vanaf verlede Vrydag aand, Maandag, Dinsdag, Woensdag tot vanaand kliphard elke keer hulle harte uitgesing het, want dis hoe 'n rooi kat is. 'n Rooi kat is 'n vasbyter, 'n aanhouer en 'n deurdrukker van die begin tot die einde. Ek wil vir elke ouer baie dankie sê wat hierso is vanaand vir die ondersteuning. Ons het nagenoeg 4 keer meer kaartjies verkoop as wat daar kinders in die skool is, en dit is 'n bewys dat hierdie skool aan die gemeenskap behoort. Kinders, julle kan vir julle ouers lekker hande klap gee. Dan, dames en here, u sien al die onbesonge helde hier, wat hier opgestap het, al die onderwysers, wat elke aand hierso was, ons het groot waardering, en ek vra dat die onderwysers, die kinders en die onderwysers, die kinders en die ouers vir die onderwysers lekker aan 'n klap gee. Maar dan, dames en here, is dit so, dat 1400 kinders, nagenoeg 120 personeellede, uiteindelik deur een persoon as 'n marionettemeester bygehou word. Ek wil gou net, voordat ek vir mevrou vra om hiernatoe te kom, wil ek net verduidelik wat 'n formidabele marionettemeester ons in mevrou Annelie van Rooyen, die uitvoerende regisseur het. Nou, mevrou Annelie van Rooyen, 1994, 'n revue met die naam Lied in die Hart. 96, 'n revue in 6 skakerings. 99, 21-jarige feesvieringe. 2001, ons eerste Christusspel. 2003, 25-jarige fees. 2004, Dwarreldroom. 2006, Kersspel. 2007, Hoopstad Operette. 2008, 30-jarige fees. 2009, laaste groot Sepie Boks. 2010, Kaleidoskoop. 2012, In die voetspore van Jesus. 2015, Sepia aan Broadway. 2018, Veerkragtig 40. En vanjaar 2022, Die wêreld is weer rond. Dames en here, mevrou Annelie van Rooyen. Dames en here, dit vat 'n formidabele vrou om 1400 kinders vir soveel jare absoluut, ek sal saamstem, dit is 'n ongeëwenaarde vertoning wat jy vanaand gesien het, en dit vat een persoon se breinkrag, een persoon se kreatiwiteit. Mevrou Annelie van Rooyen, elke kind wat hier staan, elke ouer wat daar sit, elke grootouer wat sit, wat dekades die vreugde ervaar het om u kunstigheid te kon ervaar. Ons sê vir die baie dankie daarvoor, geluk daarmee, ons is vir die oneindig lief, en ek sê, kom ons klap weer vir haar lekker hande. Ons staan net so, dan sing ons die skoollied, En dan, Gerard, waar is jy? Jy weet wat om te doen in die einde. Ons is 'n skool met ideale en Constantia Park ons naam. Ons strewe altyd na die hoogste vir ons Heer en volk te saam. Standvastig en getrou, standvastig en getrou. Constantia Park, ons is lief vir jou. Constantia Park, ons is lief vir jou.
Stotsom!
Reisa!
Stotsom!
Reisa! Rooi katte! Daar gaan die kleintjies hardloop.